USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this ongoing, very, very crucial, very important civil justice sign off that I am providing for myself, right? And it is because United States of America, with fatal negligence, enforced poverty for me, and with fatal negligence, United States of America created the robocall poverty and enforced finance disability for me, and that is crime, deadliest crime, zero tolerance crime of United States of America. So by signing of civil justice for myself in front of all nations, I sure will get the healthiest humane standards of civil justice for the first time ever in the entire justice services life cycle. Since day one, the humans have been created. Meaning, for the past 5,000 or 50,000 years, the justice services has been broken, right? So, at least by signing civil justice for myself, I sure will get the civil justice excellent way for all human kingdom worldwide and also for myself. So I will read the civil justice, okay? For I, Vedapriya Pro se, for I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica Giza of Pyramid, Cairo, Egypt. Never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil judge, and it is fatal negligence of Giza of Pyramid, Cairo, Egypt to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say no, who knows who is Republica Giza of Pyramid, Cairo, Egypt, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Giza of Pyramid, Cairo, Egypt. So the error is Giza of Pyramid, Cairo, Egypt created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021, and it comes under the classification of domestic violence, that is breach of umbrella, domestic violence umbrella, but then the subclassification of codes of the taxonomy is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress and causation and injury, then battery and types, then assault and types, then false imprisonment and types, then trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and types. Then, I, Vedapriya, as of February 2021, the civil justice sign-off processes, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own this text for ongoing civil justice sign-off for myself. So that way we are all in the same page. So then the Republica Giza of Pyramid, Cairo, Egypt, with fatal negligence, failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, then President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6, 10, 2021 and beyond, and also enforce finance disability to I. So it is a crime for Republica Giza of Pyramid, Cairo, Egypt, when ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, want the USA Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and Giza of Pyramid, Cairo, Egypt must, should pay, sign off tax-free $1,000 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican Government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be on the same page. And for I, Vedapriya Prose displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs to the United States of America. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name as Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports, Exports, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador of all nations starting with India civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, should get the dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And I hope you are all on the same page on the civil justice sign of closure, and talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye for now.